Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in my car because I asked you guys what you wanted to see, and shout out to a subscriber named Kelly for suggesting a car tour. So that's what we're doing today. So before I actually purchased Storm, and yes, her name is Storm. I'm one of those people that name their cars. It's a thing. But before I actually purchased this vehicle, I went on YouTube and I searched a ton of videos just like this one to kind of just get someone else's perspective on a car, to hear a review, to hear what they like, what they dislike about their vehicle, not just on the Volkswagen Jetta, but on other cars that I was considering purchasing as well. So I'm making this video to just put another review out there, and you know, hopefully it's helpful to you if you are looking to purchase a Volkswagen Jetta. I'm gonna go ahead and get straight onto the tour and show you my car, so enjoy. So this is Storm, you guys. She's my baby. I named her Storm because, like the character Storm, I feel like she has different personalities. Depending on the time of day, she can either look white, silver, and sometimes even baby blue. So one of my favorite features about her is definitely her color. She also has keyless entry, so as long as the key fob is within 3 feet of this door handle, the car will unlock when you go to open it. So moving on to the inside, this is what the steering wheel looks like. I absolutely love the flat bottom. I feel like it gives it such a sporty touch. And the steering wheel is leather wrapped and stitched. And then on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, your volume adjustment, and all of that fun stuff. And then on the right side of the steering wheel, you have things for voice command. You can answer your phone, change the station on the radio, and things like that. And this is just a quick look at the dashboard. It does give you the digital miles per hour while you're driving, and it does a bunch of other cool stuff, but that's a whole nother video. And then you have your blinkers and windshield wipers. And to the left side of the steering wheel, this just controls your lights to be able to turn them on and off. And here's a little overview of what the front seat looks like. So like I said, this is a Jetta SE, so this trim level is a push-to-start engine. And then you have your radio area, which comes with a touchscreen and a CD slot. And then one thing I always have in my car is my rosary, so I just wanted to show you guys that. A really cool thing I want to show you guys using my phone, oh my god, it's 333, is the Apple Carplay in this car. It is so awesome. I absolutely love it. I don't feel like I'll be getting another car if it doesn't have Carplay in it. Okay, it's gonna be a little difficult because I don't have a tripod, but basically you take your phone, which by the way, this little phone cord wrap I got at the Sprint store, and it's just basically so like your cord doesn't just like linger everywhere in your car. But you take the cord, you plug it in. Hold on, I'm working with one hand because I'm trying to show you guys. Let's do this very carefully. Okay, and then this will pop up and it's just the Apple CarPlay logo. You just swipe up or exit out of it, and then basically what happens is your car mimics what's on your phone. So I can do anything that I need to do for my phone on here, which is so helpful because it totally helps when you're driving to not be like super distracted, and Siri works on here as well. So everything on my phone, like I said, it just mirrors it. So I really love this, and then I can just like listen to my music and stuff from here. So like I'll click this. I was listening to La Modelo. So basically you can do that. You can look at your recent call list, your text messages, and then it has the Volkswagen app, which just answers any questions you may have, or if you're like somewhere and you need a phone number for assistance, that's also in there. I have audiobooks, podcasts, pretty much anything. And then you even have a home button, so if you're like in something, so you click it and then you just click home like you would on your phone to get out of it. So there's that, which I really love. Super huge like a selling point for me was this, because I've never had that in a car before. And if you don't have an iPhone, the car would do the same thing, except instead of using Apple CarPlay, it would be called Android Auto, but it would still mirror your phone. But yeah. And then right under that you have your settings for your AC and your heater. And then the car also comes with heated seats for the front passenger and the driver. So you would just click this little button right here depending on like how hot you wanted your seats to get. And then there's like a little cubby back here that allows you to connect a 12 volt and your USB. And then I just keep a little coin purse in there just for like loose change if I'm going through a drive-through or something, you know how it is. And then you have your gear shift, and this is an automatic, but what's really cool is that it has Tiptronic, so it allows you to drive your car as a manual if you wanted to. And moving on to the driver's side door, you just have your basic settings to lock and unlock the car, to control your side view mirrors, your window controls, and then to pop the trunk open is down at the bottom. And then we have the rear view mirror, and I like that it's a smart mirror because it kind of like dims itself depending on the light outside, and it also gives you the direction. As you can tell here, we're pointing south. And then it has these controls at the bottom that you can set to open your garage door or gates and things like that. Then we have the sunroof that's controlled by this little knob here. So when you turn the knob, you can open the sunroof to different settings. So you can like open it halfway, a quarter of the way, or all the way if you wanted to, which I really like. And then you also have a place to hold sunglasses. One thing I love about this sunglass holder is that I use large sunglasses and they fit perfectly. And to adjust your seats, it is done manually, so you would just use these bars on each side of the seats. And then one thing I really love, you guys, is, or another thing I love, is the rubber floor mats. As opposed to the carpet floor mats, they are so much easier to clean, so much easier. And then moving on to the back seat, again, we have the rubber floor mats, leather seats, and then you have that center console that has two cubbies and another spot for the 12 volt. And then what's really funny is on the back of the seats, only one of the seats has a pocket. So I use that to just put my windshield like visor or protector in. And then lastly, you just have two cup holders that fold down from that middle seat. Alright guys, so that is it for my car tour. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you're in the search for a new car, I wish you the best of luck. I know it's a process for sure, but I hope that this was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos every Friday, you guys. And please click that thumbs up button if this video... Oh my god, I can't talk. Okay, please click the thumbs up button if you found this video helpful or if you liked it. And let me know if there's any videos you guys would like to see next. It's really awesome when I get your suggestions. And until next time, you guys, I hope you're having a great day or a great night or whatever time of day it is that you're watching this video. And I'll see you later. Bye.